I'm not even exaggerating, you guys. Oh my god. Do you guys see this right now? Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Pamela. Thank you so much for watching. In today's video, I will be reviewing the new 1212 Gateway skincare line by Mcbroom. I've been so excited to try this and I just got it in today and I didn't want to waste no time. I wanted to try it right now before I go to bed. I need to change up my skincare routine right now just because I do have acne prone skin, so I do put a lot of actives on my face. So I actually do need an all-natural skincare line that I could swap out in between the week to give my skin a break. So if you guys have acne prone skin, it's really good to switch to lighter products, more gentle products. And she speaks about all of her products being all natural. So I'm so excited to try this out. Obviously, this is going to be a first impressions, so I'm not going to do, you know, a week or two using it. But if you guys do want that video, make sure you comment down below and like this video so I know to make that one. But before we get started with today's video, if you guys are new here, make sure you subscribe down below and hit the bell right next to it so you don't miss my next upload. Let's get started. So I just washed off my makeup and I'm going to start off with showing you guys all of the products. Here is the packaging, super cute. It just comes with a little pamphlet here. Look at how beautiful. All of the products. So I seen in some of the other reviews, people were complaining about the packaging and how it was like moving around when you got the product. Everything was all over the place. This came just as you see it now. Everything was intact, super nice, super cute. So this is the back of the box that all the products come in, and these are where all of the ingredients are as well as the directions. I don't know if I'll keep this box that long, and sometimes I would like to know certain ingredients just in case my skin overreacts or if I get allergic reaction, I know what it is. So that's the only downfall so far that I don't like about it. So just by looking at all of the ingredients, especially the first few that are listed, they're literally all natural, all super good for your skin. I only read about the first 5 of the ingredients, and then everything else is pretty much like a lower dosage of everything. So I'm not too worried as long as like fragrance is not at like the top of the list. Then we're good. Obviously, I got the sample kit only because I don't really know how my skin's gonna react, so I don't want too much product. And I feel like when you get these sample kits, it's easier to kind of minimize how much product you're using, because sometimes that could be the reason why you're breaking out, is if you use too much of something. So this really is very, very convenient. I definitely love the fact that I can try all the products for one price instead of buying them individually. I do feel like the sample kit is a little bit on the pricier side. For me, at least, I honestly buy a lot of pricey things, so to me it's not that bad, but I do feel like it is only, honestly looks like $60 worth of stuff, especially considering like how small everything is. Like all of this stuff is pretty tiny, especially if you're not trying to like pinch your pockets for skincare that you don't know if you like or not. But definitely very, very good packaging. Everything is in glass and it's weighted, so I really love that. The first thing I'm going to do is cleanse my skin, of course. So I'm going to try the Galaxy Foaming Cleanser, and this is what it looks like. And it comes in a pump like this, and I'm just going to test it out on the back of my hand. Ooh. It's a very milky consistency. It feels like a serum almost, like a thick serum. And it has a light scent. It's very mild though. It honestly smells like such a clean scent, but it's not overbearing at all. It's very, very nice, very smooth. So what I like to do with cleansers, I just take a few pumps and put it on dry skin. I do this with all of my cleansers just because I do have acne prone skin. So this really helps to kind of grab all of the dirt. So I like to just massage it on the skin until it's all absorbed pretty much, and then I'll wet my hands and actually cleanse it. This texture actually feels like as if you put a serum into your moisturizer. So it's very smooth and very, very, very nice. I have sensitive skin and nothing is burning me so far. I'm gonna wet my hands really quick and I'll be right back. Okay, so it's lathering up very slightly. I'm definitely very used to using cleansers like this that don't lather up at all, so I don't mind it. I would also say it's like super hydrating because I do have a lot of dry patches on my chin line right here, and it's definitely smoothing it out, so I could actually feel it as I cleanse my skin. And make sure you guys do the 60-second rule, so you make sure that you're getting all of your skin. I do cleanse under my eyes just because I don't like any type of makeup around my eyes. So the fact that I'm doing that and my eyes aren't burning, it's very, very good for a cleanser. And I'm not turning red. I have reactive skin, and usually when I wash my face, I do turn red. So I think we're good. I'm gonna wash this off and I'll be right back. My skin feels absolutely amazing. Like, I don't even know if my skin felt like this ever. I had a lot of dryness right here and I literally washed it away. I couldn't get rid of that for a few weeks, and the fact that it's gone instantly, I didn't even put on any moisturizers yet and it's gone. I really, really like this. So far, so good. The cleanser, I noticed for sure that she doesn't have a toner, and I personally love toners. I do feel like it's an extra step to help clean out the pores, help balance your skin. I feel like your basic skincare should always have a toner. I don't know, maybe I'm the only one that thinks that way. So I want to just use some chapstick really quick just because my lips are really chapped right now. And I just don't want to look crusty on screen. So I'm going to use her lip balm. It's the Marigold Lip Balm. Look how cute this is. I heard really great things about this lip balm. Ooh. I could like rub my lips forever with this. I'm not even exaggerating, you guys. Oh my god. Do you guys see this right now? I don't want to stop using it. Okay, first of all, what is in this? This is the smoothest formula that I ever put on my lips. It instantly smoothed out all of the wrinkles, all of the cracks on my lips. My lips feel so hydrated, so baby soft right now. But I love how the balm sits on my lips. So other lip balms actually leave a little cast on my lips, especially when they're chapped. It leaves like little cracks of product, I guess. So usually I have to rub my lips like super hard when I apply chapstick, but this, I didn't even rub my lips together at all, and my lips look so smooth. Not sticky at all. Some chapsticks don't feel like they're hydrating at all. It feels like you're putting wax on your lips. This is like a serum almost that you're putting on your lips, and it just made my lips so smooth instantly. But I honestly just enjoyed putting this on. Like, it just feels so good. I love this. I love this. We're on a roll, guys. This is so good. Okay, next up, so we have the Sunray Beauty Oil. And I love the packaging on all of these. I'm very spiritual too, so the fact that she made this, it just speaks to my heart. You know what I mean? Like, that's really soulful. In other reviews that I've seen, a lot of people use this on their body, on their hair, and not really on their face. Let's try it on the back of my hand first, just to see how it feels. But it looks like this. It smells like honey and cinnamon. Like a very, very light scent. It's not heavy at all. It's actually, I kind of enjoy it. It reminds me of like essential oils, so it's definitely not overpowering at all. The oil is a little heavier than a dry oil, and it's not thick or sticky, which is good. I just don't feel like it's super hydrating. I don't feel like it's really getting into the pores, if that makes sense. I do feel like it's just sitting on top, and it's kind of like a greasy feeling. Like, it's not absorbing into the skin like how I would want it to absorb. So, which is okay. I feel like this would be so good on your body, like in the summertime, in a bikini, on the beach, at the pool. Girl. But I do like to add oils on top of my moisturizer, so maybe I'll do that and we'll see how it works with the moisturizer. This one is the Meadow Flower Moisturizer. Right off the bat, this is so small. When it comes down to moisturizers, especially, I'm from Vegas, so I need to moisturize like more than enough, and this is not gonna last me at all. It could be like a tad bit bigger just to match the cleanser, because as much as you're cleansing your face, you also need to moisturize. It's very, very important step. So I feel like this should be like the biggest packaging out of all of them. This one's the eye cream and this one's the moisturizer, and they're exactly the same size. That's a little bummer right there, but let's try it out. So the consistency is definitely whipped. I don't know if you guys can see like how whipped that looks. I love that it's whipped. It feels very, very luxurious, if you will. Okay, a little goes a long way because I literally didn't put that much on my finger, and look how much there is. It feels buttery almost, like super soft and silky. It does feel hydrating, definitely doing more than the oil. This is so moisturizing, you guys. It feels so good. All of the scents that I'm smelling in all of these products are definitely all of the natural ingredients she used combined in the product. So I don't feel like she added a whole bunch of fragrances at all. And oh my god, this feels so good. The moisturizer feels super luxurious. It's pretty thick in consistency. It's a moisturizer that's gonna protect your skin. And I'm just gonna bring some under my eyes because that's what I normally do. And it really feels so amazing. So when it absorbs, it kind of, you can kind of like feel like a grip on your skin. And I feel like this would be so good for makeup. The dry spots I have is literally gone, you guys. Like, I'm so impressed. And it's good that I did this on like slightly damaged skin, because now I can actually see if it's gonna work. Definitely love that. All right guys, so this is the last product in the whole sample kit. So this is gonna be the Starseed Eye Cream. Definitely doesn't have a scent either. And let's see if it's the same consistency on my other hand. So it's not as thick as the moisturizer, but it's definitely just as moisturizing. It's pretty big for an eye cream, just because considering like you only use a little dot for each eye, this will probably last you a long time. Put one here. So this feels so good under the eye. Oh my god. If you guys have tried this brand already, let me know if you guys ever felt your under eye was like, it has like a cooling sensation. Mine does, and it's really, I'm really enjoying it. It honestly does what it's supposed to do. It's really, really hydrating. For eye creams, I just can't really tell if I like them unless if I see a difference on my under eyes or anything like that. And I don't really have like too bad dark circles or bags or anything, so I'm definitely here for the moisture. I do feel like concealer will work really well on top of this. I also want to try using the beauty oil on top of the moisturizer, so I'm just going to add that really quick. I'm just going to do like a small, really small amount, just one pump. And I'm just going to pat it in the skin. It's a tad bit more moisturizing, but I feel like I can do without it since the moisturizer is pretty thick. I don't know if the beauty oil will actually make a difference on my skin at all. I like using oils just to kind of like sleep in and stuff, so my skin is more moisturized in the morning and I have really glowy skin. Other than that, I can honestly do without the beauty oil. Since the beauty oil is the same size as the cleanser, I kind of do wish that the beauty oil was actually what the moisturizer came in, just because it would just make more sense that these would go together instead of having like a product that no one really like would ever use unless it's specifically for the face. It should definitely be half the size of this. I don't know. That's just my opinion. I really do think that she has great products in here overall. but this is what my skin is looking like. I'm all prepped and ready for bed. So far, I definitely do feel like she has great products in this launch. She honestly did such a great job, definitely on the cleanser and lip balm and the moisturizer. I feel like those are the top 3 so far on my list, and they all pretty much wowed me. I definitely would have to keep trying these products for a few weeks to see how my skin reacts, if it likes it or not. You can't tell on the first try, but my first impression so far, I definitely give it a 4 out of 5. For this being her first launch, she definitely took her time on this, definitely put out very, very good quality products, way more than what I expected. It feels so good on the skin. My skin feels so hydrated and healthy. I don't ever think I've use products like these. So yeah, I really enjoyed myself tonight. I definitely do feel like it's worth your money if you do want to try it out. Just give it a try and see if your skin likes it, because you never know. I mean, you can watch so many reviews, but your skin is also very different from anyone else's, you know? So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a thumbs up so I know to make more. Also, comment down below if you tried this brand before. I would definitely like to know you guys' thoughts about it. If you guys are new here, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell right next to it so you don't miss the next video. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.